In this episode, I'm going to define digital marketing and how you can use it for your business. This is a beginner's guide to mastery of digital marketing, and I have something very special in store for you at the end of this episode that you won't want to miss. And it's how I'm able to use digital marketing to organically rank my product videos on the first page of Google and YouTube in under 24 hours. Stay tuned. Greetings, online kings and queens. I'm the Affiliate King, here to help you achieve freedom and live like royalty through your business online. The digital marketing definition can be defined as using online media like social media, blogging, email, etc. You put your product or service in front of potential customers. The goal of digital marketing is to create your desired brand presence online. And in the last episode, we went into the importance of that, as billions of people are online waiting for your products or services every day. Good digital marketing skills are even necessary for the content on your site. See, business and marketing is all about influencing a desired perception in your customer's mind. There's a quote that I love, and it goes, "Perception is reality." And that's the number one elite rule in all business, and honestly life. With the layout, colors, and words you use, you can impact the way your customers see your business, ultimately creating customers at will. The ultimate goal of digital marketing is to use all of the tons of data the internet stores on everyone to get in front of the perfect customers. Currently, there's no better way of doing that than utilizing tools like Google and YouTube, the two most used search engines in the world. There are a few ways the big businesses use these two. Number one is with paid ads, or paid advertising, which allow you to target your desired customers directly based off of their interests or other behaviors online. This method is used by most businesses and is extremely effective, but it can get costly. That's why it's very important, if you decide to go this route, to be trained by certified professionals that know exactly what they're doing. And I will show you the best place to find them. But before that, the second best way of utilizing Google and YouTube is the 24-hour ranking system, which allows you to put your products and services at the top of Google and YouTube for years to come. And today, I'm actually going to give you access to it for free. Visit theaffiliateking.net/digital for access to this bonus, plus $10,000 worth of other bonuses completely for free. But before you go, I'm curious. Leave a comment down below that explains which method you use to digitally market your business and if you use the 24-hour ranking system. And lastly, I'm here to shed light on business secrets that only the elite know. My goal is to take you from where you are in your business and show you how to achieve freedom and live like royalty. If that sounds good to you, kings and queens, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that bell for more content just like this. In the next episode, I'll help you further understand how important digital marketing is and what's new in digital marketing news. It's a must-see for all marketers, and you don't want to miss it. It's the Affiliate King here, and I'll see you on the next one.